Switching to a dashboard to launch a Phantom breaks your flow when you're already working in Claude or ChatGPT. There is a way to skip that. PhantomBuster's MCP lets you launch, set up, or delete any Phantom right from the chat, no dashboard needed. Let's start at the PhantomBuster Developer Hub. That's where the MCP documentation lives. But what's an MCP? Think of it as a plug. Your AI chat is one end, PhantomBuster is the other, and the MCP is the wire between them. On this page, you'll find one connection URL. Copy it. That link is the whole magic trick. Now, let's plug PhantomBuster into Claude. 6 clicks from start to finish. Open Claude, go to the Settings section. Under Customize, open Connectors, click the plus button or Add Custom Connector, paste the PhantomBuster URL you just copied, name it PhantomBuster, spell it right, your captions will thank you. Click Add. No code, nothing to download. Claude now knows how to reach your PhantomBuster workspace. One more step. Log into your PhantomBuster workspace. That's what finishes the link. Connect as the workspace owner, then click Allow. If you don't see PhantomBuster's tools in your tools kit, refresh your tools list. It will show up. It's just being shy. Then watch the skills list fill in. Your Phantoms are now sitting inside Claude, waiting for your action. That's PhantomBuster connected to your Claude account. Now, ChatGPT, same idea but a different menu. Open the settings. Go to Plugins, Browse Plugins. Click on the plus button. Paste the same URL as the server URL and name it PhantomBuster. Leave authentication on auth. Tick the box, click Create. When you authorize, then connect your PhantomBuster's workspace just like you did with Claude. If this feels familiar, that's the whole point. If your tools are not showing, like you can see here in the Actions section, refresh the list. Same fixes Claude. Now, your PhantomBuster developer tools appear right here. You can talk to PhantomBuster like a person. Launch a Phantom, change its settings, delete one you don't need, all in plain language, inside the chat you're already working in. No dashboard, no extra tabs. That's the PhantomBuster MCP, running in both Claude and ChatGPT. Any Phantom launched straight from your chat. The developer hub link is below, as well as a walkthrough article posted on our community that walks you through the whole process of connecting PhantomBuster with Claude and ChatGPT. No account yet? Head to phantombuster.com/signup, fill it in, then come back and do exactly what we just did. It takes only a minute. Developer link is below, as well as the community guide on how to connect Claude and ChatGPT to your PhantomBuster account.